Hello friends, today we are learning about the problems on YouTube manometer. Let's consider one YouTube manometer contains a mercury. It's open to atmosphere while left limb is connected to a pipe in which the fluid specific gravity is 0.9 is flowing. The center of pipe is 12 centimeter below the level of mercury in right limb. Find the pressure of fluid in pipe if difference of mercury level in two limbs is 20 centimeter. So we have to draw the figure as per the problem statement. So we draw the figure. It contains one pipe which flowing a liquid of specific gravity 0.9. Okay. So what is the next point here? A mercury flowing, the center of pipe is 12 centimeter below the level of mercury. Here the center of pipe is below the 12 centimeter below the level of mercury in right limb. Okay, so find the pressure of fluid in pipe if difference of mercury level in two limbs. The difference of mercury in two limbs, this is the difference level of mercury in two limbs. This is 20 centimeter as shown in statement, or as says in a statement. We draw the figure like one. So we can calculate the H1. Now here's the reference line. We know the H1. H1 is 20 minus 12 and specific gravity is 0.9. So density of the lighter liquid is 0.9 into 1000, that is 900 kg per m3. Specific gravity of mercury, that is in other words it's constant, that is 13.6, and so the density of mercury is 13.6 into 1000, that is 13,600 kg per m3. As we know that H1 here the H1 is 20 centimeter. So the H2 is 20 centimeter and H1 is, we can calculate by 20 minus 12. So this H1 is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we know that the gauge pressure formula P plus rho 1 G H1 plus is equal to rho 2 G H2. So we put down the values in the formula. Rho 1 is 900, 9.81 is gravity, and the height in H1, that's 8 centimeter, that is in meter, 0.08 meter is equal to rho 2, that is 13,600 into gravity as usual, it is constant 9.81, into the H2 is a height of heavier liquid in a right limb, that is 0.20 meter. So when we calculate, the pressure is 25,976.88 Newton per meter square. So in Newton per centimeter square, it is a 2.597 Newton per centimeter square. Thank you. Okay. The next problem is simple YouTube manometer contain a mercury is connected to a pipe in which a fluid of specific gravity 0.8 and having vacuum pressure is flowing. The other end of manometer is open to atmosphere. Find the vacuum pressure in pipe if the difference of mercury level in two limbs is 40 centimeter and the height of fluid in left from center of pipe is 15 centimeter below. We will take the draw the figure as our statement says that. Okay, what our statement says that the difference of mercury level in two limbs is 40 centimeter and height of fluid in left from the center of pipe is 15 centimeter below. Okay, so as one the specific gravity in this pipe is 0.8, so density is 800 kg per m cube. Specific heavier liquid is mercury, so specific gravity is 13.6, so density is 13.6 into 1000, that is 13,600 kg per m cube. As this is a problem of vacuum pressure, so the formula becomes P plus rho GH1 plus rho 2 GH2 is equal to 0. When we put down the values in figure formula, we will calculate the pressure is equal to minus 54,543.6 Newton per meter square, and the pressure becomes in Newton per centimeters 5.45 Newton per centimeter pressure is there.